So let's now talk about the way we can add a route in order to define a set of users who will be able to approve change action without the need to add these users one by one inside the change action. So we solve this issue by simply adding a route directly into the change action as part of the members of the change action. So what you need to know, in order to create such a route, the route template has to have a type of approval. And then we release simply the route after we make the complete definition of it with all the users and the tasks and the way the approval process will be defined in this route template. Now, once it is released, it can be available for everyone who has the right to create and to work with change actions to simply take this route template and add it as part of the members of the change action. Now, these are the two conditions of the route template. As you can see, the maturity state of the route template needs to be released, so it will be available for users to reuse it in their change action definition. And the route base purpose needs to be approval. So once this information is available in the route template, then it can be used inside the change action. So let's see how this will work. I mean, this is a simple definition. I can now take this route template and I can add it as part of the members of the change action. So this is a widget where I can create my template. I can see here I have made a definition of all the tasks, and this route template has the route base purpose as approval, and obviously it is also released. So I can use it now in the as part of the change action definition. So I'm adding now this route template as a member inside the member list of this change action. And you can see that there is a tab called approvals. Currently it's empty because the approval process did not start yet. We did not initiate this process. But we have the members, and as part of the members, we have this new template. So now let's start working on the change action. So it's the classical process where I promote it to in work. And now let's say I'm going to work on this engine under the authority of the change action. So I apply work under, and I finalize my work. So now I want to freeze it. So I promote my engineering item to a frozen state, and I want to ask or request approval of this work. So I promote the change action to an approval. And at this moment, you will see that tasks will be sent to the users because now the route has been created based on the route template, and we can see now the approvals in this new tab. And you can see that there are two ways to look at this information, either in a grid view or in graphical view. And basically from here, directly from the task, we can review the content, and we can define a comment and approve the task, which will promote the route to the next step, as we can see here. So the first couple of tasks now are approved, and now the system will move on to the next task, where each one of these three tasks have to be approved. And I can do that directly from the change action. So I can open the task, I can approve it from here. I don't have to leave the change action. I can do everything from the change action itself. And this way we complete the work on approving the change action directly from within this approval tab. So it's really very easy to understand what is the approval process, who is involved in this process, and you don't have to leave your change action environment, because this is the environment that summarizes everything around the change, where you have the information about the change action itself, the members, the proposed changes, and mainly the realized changes, which will help you to make decisions how you are going to react, let's say, to the content that has been realized. And you can do all of this from within the same change action, and you can see the full process here, and you can react to the work that has been done directly from the tasks which are available in this approvals tab.